In this tutorial, we will see that how you can create a shared Google Drive folder in just few steps. So let's dive right in. Open Google and on right upper side, you will see here these sum of dots. If you click on it, it will open up these sum of options. Here you will find this drive, or you can also search for it. If you search for Google Drive, you will find its official website here. Click on Google Drive sign in and you will see a dashboard like this. Then to create a shared Google Drive folder, on left upper side, you will find here this new button. Click on it and select new folder from here. You can rename it. I will name this sharing folder and click create. Then open it. Now we have created this folder, but to make it shareable, what we can do is firstly we have to upload a file here. Click on that new button, select file upload, select any file, click open. It will start uploading in this folder. Now to make this folder shareable, click on this little icon and here you will get this share. Click on it. Again click on that share icon. Here you will see people with access. You can simply search for the people. I will type my second email address here, and now if you click on this icon, it will show you these three options to select: viewer, commenter or editor. To allow this person edit or add files, you have to select this editor option. After selecting it, click on that send button and then you will see this icon here. If you click on it, you will see these two owners of that folder. Now, if I open my second email from here and open Gmail, you will see here a mail from Google Drive. If I open it, here it is. Now this folder is shareable. So that's how you can create shared Google Drive folder in just few steps.